In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track job costing in QuickBooks Time using the browser interface. We'll walk through the exact workflow to generate a clean, accurate report and get it ready for payroll, invoicing, or project analysis. Start by opening your web browser and signing into your QuickBooks Time account. Once you're in, look to the left-hand menu. Click Reports, then choose Tracking, and select Job Costing by Team Member. This report shows how much time team members spent on each job or project, which helps you measure labor costs and profitability. At the top, set the report dates to the period you want to analyze, for example, a specific week or month. Picking the right dates ensures you're only reviewing the time entries that matter for your current billing cycle or project phase. Next, you'll see an option called Include Custom Field. Use this if your team tracks extra information like job codes, cost codes, or service items. Including a custom field can make the report more insightful, but if you don't need it, leave it set to none to keep things simple. Use the Group by Job Code option to organize the results by job or project. Grouping this way makes it easier to see totals and compare time spent across different jobs, especially if you're managing multiple projects at once. If you want a quick summary, check the box for Calculate Grand Totals. This adds a clear total at the bottom of the report so you can quickly gauge overall hours and costs without manual math. To focus your view, use Filter by Customers to isolate specific clients. This is helpful if you're preparing a client invoice or reviewing a single customer's projects. You can also use Filter by Groups or Team Members to narrow the report to a specific crew, department, or individual employee. Filtering keeps the report targeted and reduces noise, which is great for reviews and approvals. When your settings look right, click Run Report. Give it a moment to generate. Review the output to confirm jobs, team members, and totals are aligned with your expectations. If something looks off, double-check your filters and date range, then run it again. Finally, click Download CSV to export the report. A CSV file opens in Spreadsheet Tools, making it easy to share with payroll, attach to invoices, or analyze further with formulas and pivot tables. Save it in your project folder with a clear file name that includes the date range so you can find it later. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.